siya, grabe. Napakaganda, napaka-youthful, napaka-positive ng kanyang aura. So it's really such a delight to be working with her as well.
I've learned so much from all three of them. For Director Gino, as well as with Piolo and with Colleen. They all come from different generations. Like with Gino, it's my first time to work with a director that's really young. It's so easy to communicate with Gino because he uses music to make us understand this is the feel of the scene. This is how I want your character to move by playing a particular kind of song. With Piolo naman, there's so much giggling on the set because it's all new to me and it's all new also to PJ. How nice rin to work because we collaborate.
At first, awkward ka pa rin dahil nga Sloan Zulueta, right? But she comes in prepared. Most of her takes were take one. I share the same passion. I love what I do and this is my craft. And I saw that in her. I saw that willingness to just, go the extra mile just to give it her best. Iba rin sa Colleen eh. At first, sabi ko, napagandang picture, napagandang mukha. So, parang hindi isipin ko na talaga yung character, very angelic, di ba? But when she starts giggling, as much as she's young, she can be an adult, but yung vibe na dinadala niya sa set. And she's very game, whatever Gino tells her to do, she does it. So talagang, you have to level up.
For me, ang tinatanong ng pelikula, kaya ba ng society tanggapin ang that love has no age. Walang pinipiling edad. Ang state of being young and state of falling in love.
So there's a reason, a season, and a lifetime. So reason is someone you meet for a reason, someone who teaches you a lesson. Season is just for the specific time, maybe just a phase. Lifetime is someone yung tinatawag natin na forever. In this movie, we got to tackle all three.
Paglabas mo sa movie house, you just feel happy and feel in love, not because of a partner, but because you just love life.
Yung takeaway naman dito, how people in their age group react to the people of this generation.
Love can be experienced at any time in a person's life.
Sa dami nangyayari sa sobrang fast-paced ng buhay natin, love always stays. Love is always around. Who you fall in love with.
This is wrong. Kailan pa naging mali na piliin na maging masaya ka?
That's the thing with boys. Kapag nasasaktan ka na, get up and leave.
Angie, kung para sa'yo, ang lalaki ay laruan lang. Sa akin, hindi. Showing na po on May 25, directed by Gino Santos. A feel-good movie.
Sana po panoorin niyo ang pelikula namin, Love Me Tomorrow, of course, with myself, Piolo Pascual, and Miss Sloan Zulueta.
This is brought to you by Star Cinema. Kung gusto natin ma-in love at go through the cycle of just falling in love, so please panoorin po natin.
Love Me Tomorrow, ngayong May 25 na, in cinemas nationwide.
Okay, ayan na po ang
I feel like there is
making.
no standard.
Okay, thank you. Ayun pala yun, the good vibe feel ng pelikula. Hindi ko, ngayon ko lang na yun yung nararamdaman.
Witness and experience the power of love. Bridging generations.
Okay, Colleen, ang swerte-swerte mo kasi you had your own movie, the solo movie, and now you're working with the best sa field. How does it feel? Sorry kasi medyo last time wala tayong presidential table, so hindi ko alam kung natanong ka na nito. The same question.
Nakaundot, ayan. Well, kasi, actually, when I started shooting my first film, the pressure was very real for me because it was my first
Correct,
film. Yeah, and the next project, pressure pa rin.
All the more ata.
Oo. Parang nagpapatong-patong yung pressure. Pero, of course, I feel very, very grateful, especially to Star Cinema. Kasi grabe yung trust na binibigay nila sa akin. I'm definitely very honored and very grateful.
Anong nauna? How did you learn about the project? Paano sinabi sa'yo ng Star Magic na?
Actually, they really said it was a Piolo Dawn project, sabi nila. So sabi ko, okay, baka anak ako or kapatid ako somewhere. kapatid naman, nagkapatid din ako.
Baka nakakarinig.
I had no idea the story was gonna be something like this
naman,
because it's not something we're used to seeing.
Basta umuo ka lang. Oo, go ka agad.
Go talaga naman. Game
Correct.
naman talaga. Bakit naman hindi?
Correct. Okay, ayan. I have a question, bagong questions. I have a question for G3 kasi si G3 is known yung gumagawa po ng mga concepts and this is one of the concepts na approved ng Star. Nauna ba yung project o yung cast? Yung story o yung cast?
I pitched this story in August of last year. Inang and Chris Gasman called me into their office and we were looking for ideas. So I said that there's this very interesting term that I have of a concept. It's lifted from, the seed of the concept actually is from Titas of Manila. So we have this group that we're all Titas. And I've also been going to parties with a lot of middle-aged women. And I realized that there was a wealth of stories there. There's a narrative for every character. So basically, that's where it started.
Okay, and then, cast na.
Yeah, nung finish na may kasama na siya.
Kasama.
Yeah.
Sige. Miko, something to share.
Finish siya, parang in 10 minutes up.
Wow, so it's a pure, ganun pa, yung tatlo sila. The concept, in 10 minutes daw approved. In-approve ko agad, ako nag-approve. Charot, ako pala nag-approve. Okay, so ito na, hindi ko na ba, I'd like to hear from you guys who would like to shoot the first question. Siguro si Mami Jo here na siguro, being malapit na siya sa ating mga cast. Ayan, would you like to the mic? Would you like to the mic? Go.
Hello po, magandang tanghali.
Yes.
Yung tanong ko, yung tinanong ko dapat
Don Zulveta ka ngayon, Mami. Ayun sa post.
Congratulations po, and I'm so excited to watch your movie. Pero my question is, the question I was supposed to ask Piolo habang nag-picture kami na, I want to know more about your character, Janine, JC, and Christy. What is difficult and what is exciting about your character?
Kay Colleen.
Well, my character, her name is Janine, and she's a millennial. She's 25 years old, and